Is your LG front-load washer filling up more like a pool than a washer? I'm William from appliancepartspros.com, and today we'll tackle the issue of an overfilling washer. We'll walk through inspecting key components such as the inlet valve, the pressure sensor, and the main control to pinpoint the cause. Even if you've never rolled up your sleeves for an appliance repair, you'll find this process easier than you think. So let's dive in and get your washer back to perfect working order. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are appliancepartspros.com. For today's work, we'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a multimeter, and a pair of pliers. Also, please remember that safety comes first. With your washer plugged in and the cycle started, allow the water to start filling. While your washer is filling up, unplug the power cord. If water still comes through, the valve has failed. If water stops coming through, we'll need to continue troubleshooting. We're plugging the power cord back in. We're moving to the console, pressing and holding the steam and temperature buttons at the same time. This tells us what the pressure sensor is identifying. We are looking for a reading on the display that is at or less than 21.3 when the washer is full of water. If the reading is more than 21.3, the pressure sensor is the likely cause of failure. We can verify this by turning the washer off, unplugging the power cord, and testing the sensor. We're grabbing our Phillips screwdriver and removing the 2 screws securing the top panel. Now the top panel can be moved back and lifted up to be set to the side. We're setting our multimeter for resistance, which looks like an upside down horseshoe. Disconnecting the wires from the sensor, we're testing from pin 1 to pin 3 and should get a reading between 21 to 23 ohms. If the resistance is outside of this range, the pressure sensor has definitely failed. If the pressure sensor and the water valve testing did not show that either part had failed, the main control would be the issue based on the process of elimination. If you'd like a quick review about how to use a multimeter, we've put together a comprehensive tutorial for you, so check out the link in the description. Since we found the pressure sensor has failed, let me show you how to replace it. Rotate the pressure sensor to pull it away from the side panel. Remove the pressure hose from the pressure sensor. Here's the old pressure sensor and here's the new one. If you've already got one, great. If not, you can pick one up at appliancepartspros.com. Connect the pressure hose and rotate the pressure sensor onto the side panel. We're connecting the wires to the pressure sensor. We're grabbing the top panel and sliding it into place, securing it with the screws we removed at the beginning. Plug the power cord back in, and with that, we're done. Congratulations on taking the initiative to troubleshoot your LG front-load washer. Once you've identified the faulty part, whether it's the inlet valve, pressure sensor, or main control, head over to appliancepartspros.com with your model number to order the replacement part you need. Most orders arrive within just a couple of days, so you can get your washer back to running smoothly in no time. After your repair, we'd love to hear how it went, so feel free to share your experience in the comments below. Remember, a little do-it-yourself spirit goes a long way, and we're here to support you every step of the way.